Hello and welcome to another episode System Center 2016 Virtual Machine Manager. In this episode we will learn how to do a rolling cluster upgrade. So let's go back to the basics again. We're going to have a cluster of 2012 R2 cluster 4-node server, and we're going to do a rolling cluster upgrade to 2016. This is what we're planning to do. So let's go to our setup again. So we have a cluster of 4 nodes here in System Center, and this will be the slide of the server. You can see it's running in 2012 R2. Login screen, and we'll plan to upgrade this system to 2012. So let's go back to the basics. What we need here, we need a computer profile that has a System Center that has Windows 2012 VHD disk generated by generation 2, and a similar hardware configuration of what we used to have originally in 2012. The only main difference will be the OS configurations to set up. After you have this ready, we can go start to deploying upgrading the cluster. So we go into the cluster, click in the cluster node, and then we see this up here, upgrade cluster, plus this function. And in here we will see the list of nodes we have. We select all, and then we will select the physical computer profile that we want to upgrade to. And then we can start by collecting. We already have the BMC set up from our original episode of SCVMM admin, and then we see any customizations that we need to do to the computer, which at this point we already have everything selected. The IP address, the BMC IP, the NICs management, and where the disk will be deployed. This cannot be reconfigured because it will just delete the old VHD and deploy a new one. And we are offset to go. You can see the configurations again. PowerShell. If you do this on a daily basis, it will be easier. And we finish. And we start seeing the progress of what we plan to do. And we can start seeing the server. Okay. Sorry. So it seems to fail on the first try. We can restart the process again. As you can see that by here, you will see that the server always in maintenance mode. It's common to see this part. Okay, now you can see start removing virtual hosts completed. Moving to the next step. And you start provisioning the physical server. And you can see this part here, the server has restarted. This will go into PXE mode boot, network boot. Here, physical PXE boot. As now you can see that our first node has successfully upgraded into 2016. We will log in. Let's see what version it is. As we can see, our server is now 2016 and join into the domain. In this part here, we will see now that the server is start provisioning, installing the virtual machine manager agent. After the agent has been installed, it will start configuring virtual team disk to set embedded teaming. As when we configure during this part here, set embedded teaming. This is where we're going to see the set virtual adapter coming in. And to help you focus what is set embedded teaming, we have configured that into the uplink port of this server here. As you can see, now we're going to have two teams, two NICs in one team, using the new protocol to enhance software-defined network. These are the profiles. Server 1 has not successfully joined into this cluster yet. Now it's adding the node into the cluster and add to the function. And the cluster is now refreshing to see that everything is in sync. It will take a moment to see the refreshed cluster. As you can see that the OS is now 2016. After the first node has been completed add to the cluster, you can see that now the state will move back to the next node in the cluster, which is test 2. Put it into maintenance mode. This maintenance mode is vacating, moving all the VMs off the node and start doing the process. Redeploying, moving everything off of the node in the cluster. And this process is quite straightforward. I'll fast forward the whole process to speed up the whole process of node 2, 3, 4, and we will continue explaining after the speed, after everything has been upgraded and validated to 2016 cluster level. Now, as we can see, our cluster has fully been upgraded to 2016. We can recheck in System Center again, see that everything is going according to plan. And in this part of ours, we also had the virtual NIC that was not being presented. So we can add that into the system. This will bind our virtual NICs together. As you can see, the NIC has been the set embedded team has been set up and joined up together. I'll set up a new episode as how the performance of RDMA proven to be benefit using SMB multi-channel.